Hi everyone, this is Kavita from Kavi Art Studio. Today I am going to teach you how to paint a realistic watercolor rose with beautiful water droplets. Before starting the painting, we begin with the drawing. For sketching, you can use any light pencil like a Natraj pencil or mechanical pencil on 200 to 300 GSM watercolor paper. First, lightly draw the rose. Once the sketch is ready, wet the background area of the paper for the background. I am using two colors. Since the flower will be in pink tones, I am mixing blue and crimson lead to create a soft purple background. Spread the background color gently. While working, you can remove any extra water using a paper napkin. After the background dries completely, we start painting the flower. The rose is built layer by layer here. I am using crimson lake and vermilion hue so that you will get a different shade of the rose to give a rich rose shades. Begin with a light base layer and spread it smoothly. Once it is dry, add the medium tone and after that deepen the darker areas and highlights to bring the petals to life. Now, coming to the most important part, the water droplets. You need to work very carefully here. If the steps are not followed properly, the droplets won't look realistic. First, apply a very light shade, let it dry, then add the medium tone, and finally deepen the shadows to achieve the realistic shine, and tiny highlights with white. We do it in the last. To create lighter tones, we usually dilute the color with water. For medium tones, use less water, and for darker values, use more pigment and less water to get the vibrant look. Generally, in watercolor painting, we don't use much white paint. For highlighting and folding the petals and all, directly we use white color from tube to get the glowness and the reflection of the light. At Kavi Art Studio, we teach various art forms include watercolor, oil painting, acrylic and charcoal. We offer around 50 to 60 different art courses with complete individual attention. Our syllabus is fully customized based on each student's interest and skill level. And we don't follow an assistant teaching system. For joining, please WhatsApp me at 8106 532696. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe to my channel for more videos and art tips.